What up, YouTube? Alright, we're gonna show you the safest way to bust up some real coconut on the truck and basically don't hurt yourself. First, you're gonna need one of these short cutlass, machete, and where's that thing at? And one of these hammers, or any hammer, what they say. I'll get this thing right now. Okay, I'm gonna put you at the coconut. Coconut. That's the coconut. See the little edge here? You're gonna put the machete somewhere right here. Even here is good, because too far back you will probably cut it and then you're gonna lose a lot of water. So, and remember, you're doing it in a small area, so you can't really whack this thing away. So you might want to put it started off right here. Right here should be good, just to see where you're at, you know. Then you just take the hammer and you hit it in, and then you hit it down. You get a little bit a notch off. You move it around. Take it from here. That's it. See, we basically see a little opening right here. But I'm gonna take off a little bit more. I'm gonna take off a little bit more so I could kind of get my little spatula in there. Alright, so okay. Alright, so we definitely got it. Then we use this tool and put it up here, and then hit that, get the hammer and just knock it in. Hold on. Knock it in. So we should see some water coming out of it. Should see some water, and then you just turn it around. Turn it around. Whoa, this one got some jelly in there too, so this is good. You develop, because sometimes you get them so young and then I have nothing in there. Okay, boom. So now we got a nice clean hole to get the water out, and we could basically just drink it, you know, drink it straight from the coconut, or just use a cup, put the cup over it and just turn it around. And now you got coconut water going inside the cup. Whole heap of water too. So we got a cup full of nice clean coconut water. Real living water, that. Okay, then we want to get the jelly out. So same thing what I tell you with the cutlass, you just find a place and you just put it right over it. Take the hammer again, take the hammer, just hit it on top, just bring it down, 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 and then you just split the coconut. Split the coconut, and then boom, coconut split. Take the tool, take a spoon, and hey, dig out jelly. Simple thing like that. 1, 2, 3. Anyway, my family, we catch you on the next one. King of the Road is gonna enjoy him jelly. I'm on my 30-minute break, heading to California right now. I'm gonna be shutting down in Santa Rosa, New Mexico. Anyway, truck life. road life, safety first, pre-trip your truck, and keep it between the white lines. Out.